Kaya nilasa.
Okay
Hindi siya
naman yun.
masakit.
Ay,
At the box.
melts in the mouth. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your lady RaphaelleZoe, and in today's video, I have decided to make crinkles. Let's go! Okay guys, so you caught me on an errand day as well, so I'm just gonna quickly pop onto Australia Post to do something before we go to the grocery. And nandito na tayo sa shopping center. It's still locked down and we only have 5 reasons to leave home, and so I also minimize the time that I go out. As much as possible, I will go out once and do everything all at once.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo po, doble-doble po yung jacket natin today. It's because winter dito and it's really cold. I'm trying to not to use much of the heater kasi mahal yung bill namin the last time. So, we are trying not to turn it on. Kaya ayan, naka-jacket na lang ako ng napakakapal. So then we are gonna go ahead and check the recipe. So as you guys know, I grew up in Pangasinan. Malapit dun yung Baguio. Minsan pag pumapasyal yung family namin sa Baguio, or alam mo yun, yung pag-high school ka tapos may competition kayo sa Baguio. So ayun nga, pupunta kami sa Baguio and then alam mo na, bibili ka ng mga pasalubong mo, and one of my favorite pasalubong na binibigay is the chocolate crinkles. Pero ngayon na nasa Australia na ako, may mga nagtitinda, but you know, of course, it's also nice to make it at home because wala lang, trip mo lang. Kasi parang mukha naman sa recipe niya like you can do it at home. So guys, itong mga pinagagagawa nating lutuin is me like sort of learning how to cook or how to bake, but also proving na kahit sino pwedeng gawin to sa bahay kasi nagagawa ko. And I'm the worst. Ako talaga yung pinaka hindi marunong magluto. Sabay-sabay po tayong matutong magluto. One more thing is, basta meron akong ginawang Filipino snack. I recorded it on my Facebook and Instagram stories, and I've asked my Facebook friends and my Instagram friends if I should do more videos on cooking, and most of them, not all of them, but most of them wanted me to do more cooking. So this is my first episode on that, making Filipino snacks from scratch. So ayun, just a reminder to follow me on my Facebook and Instagram account so you could follow me on a daily basis, and dun din kasi minsan ako nagtatanong if you guys want this or that in my content. Otherwise, you can comment it on this video, like this video if you guys liked it. But without further ado, we are going to start. Wait, also, bago lang akong lipat dito and wala akong mga measuring cups and I don't have a lot of kitchen tools because, you know, hindi nga tayo nagluluto and we just like the normal pan, normal this, normal that. But look what I found! I bought this Pyrex measuring cup. I remember when I was younger, hi mom. But anyway, I remember when I was really young, my mom would bake cakes, and ano din kami, nagbabanding din kami nung mga kapatid ko tsaka nung nanay ko. Like we would sift the flour. But anyway, ayan na nga, ito nga, it brings back so many memories with this measuring cup because my mom used to use this one too. And can you imagine, how many years later, 28 years later, that I would be, you know, baking my own and using the same measuring cup na ginagamit ng nanay ko dati. So it's just very, you know, parang nakaka-amaze how long these stuff are in the market already. Ay, ang dami ko nang sinabi. We're gonna go through the stuff that we need for this one. are going to start off by combining all our dry ingredients. That includes our plain flour, a pinch of salt, and of course our baking powder so our cookies will rise. I am going to sift all our powdered ingredients on this recipe for a smoother consistency. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of the cocoa powder for the depth and flavor on our crinkles. Once you have something that looks like this, we're just going to combine all the dry ingredients together and set it aside. Next, we're going to work on our wet ingredients. We start off by measuring 1 cup of sugar and adding on our eggs. Now we are going to mix this one at a time, and it is important that our eggs are in room temperature so they are easier to mix. Now we're going to put our vegetable oil into our mixture. Then we're going to melt our dark chocolate chips, and once they're melted and cooled, we can add it into our wet ingredients.
So now we have 2 components, the wet and the dry ingredients. We're just going to incorporate them together. Ngawit na ko, girl!
Once they're all incorporated, we can now rest the mixture. So we only put cling wrap on it and put it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or in the fridge for overnight.
1 eternity later.
Hello guys! What's up? What's up? What's up? So 2 hours later, nalagay ko na sa freezer yung mix, and now we are going to get ready to put it in the oven. Get like a teaspoon size. Get it, roll it to like that, and then dip.
We are now ready to put this one in the oven. I just baked it for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
Wow!
Okay guys, this is Nilo and Sally.
I haven't tasted
It'll go
it,
on
but
YouTube.
it looks like so yummy. Yum.
Obviously, very sweet.
No, it's not too sweet.
Okay.
Nice, yummy. I'll have the whole box.
You should make.
Is it
should bake.
approved?
Yeah, I'll have the whole box.
Okay, this is Neve. Is it a thumbs up for you?
Definitely thumbs up, yes. I would even go 2 thumbs up.
Be honest.
Oh, syempre.
Sarap siya. Kaya lang, yung texture niya, medyo dry siya. Yung nila sa
Okay.
Hindi siya matamis.
Pero dry lang.
Dry. Dapat moist.
Moist yung loob.
Pag kinakagat mo ganyan, nagme-melt sa...
Melts in the mouth.
Oh, sige, sige.
It's good. Ay, what do you think?
Sarap.
Is it dry?
Hindi naman, sakto lang.
You like it?
I don't like the moist one, so I prefer a dry one.
Yum.